headlines. CBI raids 9 locations, including ex-Chief Minister Ibobi's residence. CLP delegation holds protest at Jantar Mantar over Indo-Naga talks. And 7 students' bodies announced to boycott Sangai Fest. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) today conducted searches at 9 locations, including Aizawl, Imphal, Gurgaon, in a case relating to misappropriation of government's fund. Reports said the former Manipur Chief Minister Ibobi Singh is one of the accused in the graft case. The CBI has registered cases against Ibobi Singh, the then Chairman Manipur Development Society MDS, Waining Them Singh, former Project Director of MDS, DS Punia IS, the then Chairman of MDS PC Lamkunga IS retired, the then Chairman of MDS O Nabakishore Singh IS retired, the then Chairman SH Sri S. Ranjit Singh, Administrative Officer MDS, among others, at the behest of the Manipur government and for the notification from Government of India. It was alleged that the accused, while working as Chairman of Manipur Development Society from 30th June 2009 to 6th July 2017 in conspiracy with others, misappropriated government funds to the tune of rupees 332 crore out of the total amount of around rupees 518 crore, which was entrusted to them for the purpose of executing some developmental works. Notably, Ibobi has been making headlines lately and breaching the power corridors of Delhi, seeking assurance from senior leaders from across the political aisle that the final settlement of Naga peace talks will not affect Manipur and that concerned stakeholders will be consulted prior to the inking of a final agreement between the centre and NSC and IM. CBI raided the residence of former Chief Minister of Manipur Ibobi Singh at Thobal Athokpam Makhalekai today. The raid was carried out this afternoon, sources inform. It may be mentioned that Ibobi is leading a delegation of Congress Legislature Party CLP now camping in Delhi to meet national political leader over the issues concerning Indo-Naga talks and Citizenship Bill 2016. Talking to newsmen on the sidelines of a protest at Jantar Mantar, Ibobi stated that he will give his fullest cooperation to any agency relating to the graft case.
Any agency, either ED or any agency or NIA, I always most welcome. If they thought that I have committed something wrong, I always most welcome and I will give full cooperation to any agency.
A 16-member CLP team of Manipur State should sit in protest in Delhi's Jantar Mantar today. Replying to a query from TOMTV regarding BJP's recent claim that the current Manipur situation is not disastrous, MPCC leader and CWC member Gai Khangam termed this statement as unfortunate for the people of Manipur. Talking about the protest at Jantar Mantar, Gai Khangam said that the protest shows the seriousness of the situation and the people's grievances. He said that the protest also demands the centre to refrain from taking any hasty step that can harm the interest of Manipur and its people due to Indo-Naga talks.
Manipur punamakti follow us through assembly session. Centre the Pangalakanda. Akoina peniki powriba. Akoida nunang powriba se. Hono hoga simba koi Manipur amli Manipuri gi interest hokpa adugomba opamam pakat payadi abase akoi punamakna phongdokpasi mathau yam tai hajariba. Maduda mase angam sa don pangtok ko kudra kan haibidu lenga ki side tegi asi haibasi sason pariba party mari sason namsi sigombo hai yam irresponsible obo hai opam thamsi la thibani ai tamdani.
Talking to our Delhi correspondent, Congress Legislature Party CLP leader Ibobi expressed disappointment at failing to get appointment with the Prime Minister and Home Minister despite their best efforts. Miffed with the situation, Ibobi accused Narendra Modi of neglecting the plight of the people of Manipur.
Any citizen Bharat ki Manipur ji manu chali aduga Bharat ki nagar amani haidu bahut se la hoi toramra haidu madhu bhog samdain fil to.
7 students' organizations of Manipur have called on the people to boycott the forthcoming Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. In this regard, a press meet was held at the office of Apunba Iraipak Mahiroi Sinpanglup at Kwaketel Bazaar today, jointly organized by all Manipur Students Union, AMSU, Manipur Students Federation, MSF, KSA, Apunba Laibak Mahiroi Sinpanglup, AIMS, and all Manipur Muslim Students Organization, AMSO. Vice President of MSF, Mohammad Sajjad Buyamayum, condemned the state government's decision to go ahead with the festival. Notwithstanding the current festive situation, Sajjad urged the public, local clubs, transport associations to stay away from the festival.
Manipur Langakna festival asi akoigi hujik tangdu laita da maramna akoigi calendar program wara so akoi Manipur Sangai festival asi Manipur miyam na akoi support to wigano akoigi festival habasidi tangdu laita da matam da hapta khudingi tha khudingi koi pangthok pa yaba adumba kenone program ni aduna hujik transport ki chili housing maruina transport ki chili housing na Manipur Sangai festival ki khoi kano hondo onjin to biriba punamagna cooperation pibi dana ba Sangai festival da de ton ba khoi sound ki adigi singer sing adigi kano sing film forum ki ton ba Manipur ki kano kudimak club kudimak na khoi support to bidana ba mairoi lup taret ki mai ke digi khoi Manipur miyam da appeal tawjari.
Meanwhile, Secretary General of KSA, Seram Hamjid Mete, called Biren government an irresponsible one which has failed to announce a clear-cut stand on the Naga peace talks, besides visibly failing to convince the public that Manipur interests will not be heard by the Naga Final Pact. Herozit announced that the 7 students' organizations will extend all possible support to all forms of agitation taken up by Kokomi.
Union Minister na thazaba piri haiduna laithok lingai marak asida karim onatana bagi adugi onatana bada Manipur gi saktam karalabadi madugi daita puna mangasi gi lenga asina pugadabni haibasi ngasi lenga aksina lauthopigadabni karigumba masigi lenga aksina lauthopa ngamdragadi ngasi gi lenga pasinga si masana masagi daita loba ngamjadaba miyam lusim amani haina laijaraba suma khoi asi daita yogdaba lenga pa amani haina ngasi gi mayulup taina thamjage.
Condemning the potential threat to the territorial integrity and unity of the state due to the agreed points reached between the Government of India and NSC and IM on October 31st last, Apunba Committee of Konung Mamang to Irilbum, Acme, under the aegis of Kokomi today held alert protest in several parts of Imphal East. Human chains were formed at Palace Compound, Wangkai, Kongba, Bamon Kampu, Irilbung and other locations. Volunteers of 18 different local clubs along with Maira Pai B and students organizations took part in the demonstrations. Talking to journalist committee convener Soibam Ratan Kumar said that despite the government's assurance that the content of the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSC and IM does not pose any threat to the interest of the state, the public members are still apprehensive of a worst outcome from the final settlement. He stressed on the need to convene a special state assembly session to discuss the pressing issue.
Thawai thadokna Manipur kan ge haibagi thaudang duga loina achauba iho makak changhan janingi loina na laijariba parja ikhoina su matung induna thawai phaba thadokpa ngamgani haibadu Manipur ki lusingba jinga thamjage akhoi gi election gi matam dadi chengum chobagumna social worker ni miyam gi saba tokdoini haiduna chongthok pirapa mayam ama sigum labla luluraba tanja si dadi akhoi usi makhunda changi badona kanamta utte aduna sigumba tanja si dadi haibiriba social worker ni haibiriba isilina mayam ju chongthok piduna Manipur kai dana bhona bada miyam bu luksing biduna sigumba thabak tharong kaya da saruk yabi haiba wafam si matanga thamjage.
moina chatharak pa kaino khongtang khuding ma akhoi saruk yagani haina ngasi akhoi loina ngasi angang han khak tagi loina lo bu le pa loi chen thok charak rabani aduna ngam je kai ba sung ya yaroi.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, 3rd Palicon 2019 on the theme Compassionate Youth for Compassionate World kicks off at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings, Imphal.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge, 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires, free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting, 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kya gi sound, lights, teas amadi tent house ki potlam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi potlam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari. Ako pamarol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Welcome back after the break. The 3rd Palicon 2019 on the theme Compassionate Youth for Compassionate World was kicked off today at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings, Porompat, Imphal. Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar, Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare V. Wumlun Mang IAS, Director of Jennings, Professor T.H. Bhimo, Retired Chief Medical Officer Dr. K.H.S. Manglim were among others who attended the opening function. Asha workers were presented with simple gift at the occasion. Minister L. Jayantakumar is in his speech underlined on the importance of responsibility of doctors and nurses. He also stressed on the contributions of palliative care and how it has changed the lives of many. Jayantakumar also urged all concerned to give their best in taking care of patients.
Thrilling, exciting, emotional feeling. Then again, life tuna the same life matuna chalam dai da madu yam pathetic condition madu yam nongai to bakli soul na depart on the dakcham no kind of dai adu madu le bakli awa bunukshi mixed feeling mayam do adu madu yam say these two stages of life must be important no and there comes the importance of this palliative care. Of course, I'm just a layman, but I layman the idea that I know filters of the palliative care importance madula.
English Literary Circle Manipur, in collaboration with Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, has kicked off a 2-day international conference at Court Hall, Manipur University, Kanchipur today. The conference is held on the theme Interdisciplinary Studies, Redefining Boundaries of Humanities, Science and Social Sciences. Former Vice President of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra Singh, Professor of Department of English, Modern Languages, Independent University, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Ahmad Asnaunuzzaman, Dean, School of Life Sciences, Manipur University, Professor G.A. Santi Baladevi, Director of College Development Council and Dean of Students' Welfare, Manipur University, T.H. Ratan Kumar Singh attended the opening event. Professor N. Khagendra Singh at the event said that interdisciplinary study is an important topic in the world of knowledge. He added that with the advancement of science and technology, the boundaries between two subjects in education has gradually vanished. Khagendra also talked about interrelationship between various subjects.
Fires may break out, earthquakes may take place, and there are many changes are taking place, which is not to see because of man's initiation, but because of changes in the atmosphere, in the world, in the universe. after some time, suppose you say there is some kind of a cosmic interaction. Suppose our planet, the Earth, you see, is collided by some other body.
Modbung Baptist Church under Sadar Hills of Kangpokpi district celebrated its Platinum Jubilee today at LS Playground, Modbung. The Platinum celebration was held on the theme Jesus, the Lot of History. Around 6,000 individuals attended the mega event. The church currently has a membership of 3,488. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, pastors and reverends from various churches of Thadok Baptist Association India (TBAI) attended the event. Group songs, cultural items, talent show, dances, gospel sermons were the main highlights of the celebration. President of TBAI, Reverend Wumthang Silhau, unveiled a Platinum Jubilee monolith to mark the occasion. Talking to media on the sidelines of the celebration, village chief of Modbung and who is also the executive member of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council, Kangpokpi, Khai Khosai Lobum thanked the Almighty for blessing the church for 75 long years. He also expressed gratitude to everyone who extended support to make the event a grand success.
Commemorating this Jubilee, I also would like to extend peace and harmony, and this will bring equality and oneness to the people of Manipur.
The body of 5-year-old Tej Lakshmi Moirangthem, who drowned in Imphal River on the evening of November 17 last, was finally found and fished out from the river by a SDRF team this morning after 5 days of search operation. The girl, a resident of Kurai Laidik Yengbamlekai Imphal, went missing from the maternal home of her mother at Kairang Maninglekai on 17th of this month while playing with her friends. The search was carried out by a combined team of NDRF and SDRF assisted by locals. 21-year-old Manipuri cyclist G. Ingobi Chingtham, who started off a lone cycle ride to 7 East Asian countries from Kangla in Imphal on August 3rd last, reached Singapore yesterday. He was warmly received by one Ronan Akoizam, a Manipuri residing in Singapore. Earlier, during his 220-day-long trip, G. Ingobi crossed Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia. G. Ingobi Chingtham is the son of C.H. Ingocha Singh and Chingtham Ongbi, Tampak Lema of Sapamaya Lekai, Khongzom under Thawal district. G. Ingobi's solo cycle trip carries messages on global integration, Act East policy, women's empowerment, climate change, promoting Manipur across the globe and many more. As per reports, Manipuri diaspora in Singapore is conducting a formal reception ceremony for the cyclist tomorrow. Alongside, they will also extend financial aid to G. Ingobi for his remaining trip. Further, on his way home to Manipur, he will be riding through Vietnam, Laos, Thailand and Myanmar.
Welcome to Singapore. Thank you so much, Sada. And kangai pakna yai pare. Me ampuno koi kong koyam jari ngasi fau bada ingobigi hek khauba numit punja adu dagi ngasi fau support to bidre lak dibe ingobi bunung sibe singbo aini ai letne thagat jari bukung koyam ingobina ngasi chali bukung chatsi da saruk ya bigi bukung koyam ko kaw balai chate du gai chali bukung chatse Singapore sta yoraga lotion jadri ai iramdam Manipur ta na Singapore de yamuk cycle thorakani laiba tang kuntre te ke Cambodia da flight da pairani Cambodia de ke amuk Vietnam amuk chatkani mathang da Laos la mutundong Thailand de ke Myanmar la gam India ta na khodor kadoni chatli ba laiba kilometer masing ste only sunna ge 3800 khatane do tholak pa matam da aina cover ta udu se more than 5500 maina cover ta orga total kenogi chang cover ta ugani.
Many fishermen are adopting illegal ways of fishing at Thingompat, which is located close to the famous Loktak Lake in Manipur's Bisnupur district. According to a report, fishermen living in the surrounding areas of the lake are using harmful chemicals, electric current and other methods into the lake water, causing death to many fish eggs. Talking to media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, advisor of Ngami Apunbalop Th Bira urged the public to stop such practice. He warned that Ngami will take the help of law if such illegal fishing continues in the lake.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥ ꯐꯥꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯐꯥꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ ꯂꯥꯏꯔ ꯊꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯔꯩ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯊꯤꯟꯕ ꯂꯨ ꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯥ ꯐꯥꯕꯗ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯃꯤ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯃꯤ ꯄꯥꯠ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯥꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Iramdamda fangba polamsingna iramdam asimaktada sajaba kanglagi polamsing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyamgidamak leizare leima kabok loinana luhongbagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gidama contact tobiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok
Ma, nang natamibi school IPS have to do yam chiksi lifai hai nei kam do gine.
My school is a quality-based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches the student in higher classes.
Hey ma, aisa di IPS ki boarding the lerub degi English ki command su phajna le rahe, lyrics su am hai rahe, personality talent su phajna le rahe na.
To speak English is compulsory at our school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipur da leba IPS haiba Impal Public Higher Secondary School da ming chanbiyo loinan afaba bahiroi bayanbiyo.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS.
Welcome back. A CRPF Jawan was injured when a pressure bomb placed by Naxals went off in Chhattisgarh. Insurgency hit Bijapur district this morning. According to media reports, the incident took place early morning near Tarem village under Vasagura police station when a team of CRPF 168 battalion was out on an area domination operation. While the patrolling team was cordoning off a forest near Tarem, 450 km from the state capital Raipur, a paramilitary Jawan inadvertently stepped over the pressure IED connection, triggering the blast that left him injured. The injured constable, Munna Kumar, was shifted to a local hospital and a combing operation was underway in the area. Most shops and other business establishments in Kashmir were closed on the third consecutive day today in connection following a brief semblance of normalcy in the valley. According to media reports, earlier on Wednesday, posters warning shopkeepers against opening their shutters as well as public transport operators appeared at several places in the city and elsewhere in the valley. Main markets in the city and most other areas in the valley were shut and shops did not open even for a few hours in the morning as they had been doing for the last few weeks. Apart from few private vehicles, public transport was also largely off the roads. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, the 8th AITWFI National Traditional Wrestling and Pankration Championship 2019 was kick-off today at LB Indoor Stadium in Hyderabad, Telangana. Telangana Sports Minister Srinivas Gaud, Chairman of Sports Authority of Telangana, A. Venkateshwar Reddy, President of All India Traditional Wrestling and Pankration Federation, Omar Mukhtar Tamboli, Vice President SRY, C.A. Tamboli, along with other distinguished personalities attended the opening ceremony. Talking at the event, Srinivas Gaud expressed his firm belief that the championship will showcase the best players from the state of Telangana. Players from 24 states of India, including Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Delhi are taking part in various events like belt wrestling, mass wrestling, Kazakrus, Pankration, and other categories in the championship. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. CBI raids 9 locations, including ex-Chief Minister Ibobi's residence. CLP delegation holds protest at Jantar Mantar over Indo-Naga talks. And 7 students' bodies announced to boycott Sangai Festival. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.